This is how you start your Sportman inverter generator 1000i. Make sure that you have this set to open so that your fuel cap can breathe and allow fuel to go into the carburetor. Make sure that your carburetor is set all the way forward to closed in order to start. Make sure that you have this set to on so that the fuel can go to your carburetor. Make sure that you have your economy set to off so that your generator can start up at a higher RPM and not bog down. Make sure you have your power set to on. If not, your generator's not going to start. There's not going to be any electrical going to your spark plug. After you got all that done, make sure you prime it a couple times. Obviously, make sure you got fuel in there, oil in there, and then just pull to start. Once it's started, set it to warm up for a little bit. Once it's warmed up, you can set it to run. And that's it. After that, you go ahead and connect your electrical load. And that's it, guys. If you want, you can set it to economy to conserve fuel. There you have it.